manner. Maybe they are giving you along the vertical axis, they may give it to you along the horizontal axis, or maybe a diagonal axis, which is rarest of rare case. Or there is one another category. Okay, what is that category? Can you guess? Into the same, there is some another category also which is hidden behind this one. Any guessing?
No, ma'am.
Okay, see this. Now if you notice, say suppose I highlight a pattern towards the left side. That's the pattern towards the left side. You can see that?
Yes, ma'am.
And on the board, if you can see, I have given you almost double the size of the space. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
If I ask you that the pattern or the shape which has been given towards the left side, that has to be recrafted in the given space, double the size or as per the available proportion. Now can we relate what does this available proportion mean?
Ma'am, means you are saying to draw the same picture with by increasing the size?
Yes.
Or we should draw that picture with the same means in which it is the same size of it.
No. If the question is saying that redraw, that means what? You have to redraw the given pattern. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Double or maybe in the given space. If they are saying it double the size, it is pretty clear. Suppose if it is said in the given space, that automatically means that you have to actually scale it and you have to enlarge it in such a way that it exactly fits in this given space now.
Okay, I got it.
Got it? So this means in a dim line work, now here is where your pencil choice is going to make a difference, which is the first part of the discussion today, that how you should be using and which pencil should you be using to do that. Okay?
Is that HB, ma'am?
Come again, your voice broke away.
Is that HB pencil?
Commonly, when we are supposed to be making these, I say the green ones, the grid lines or the guidelines, I would say to be more precise, these should be done with a very light intensity or impression of pencil, and we would prefer a HBH or maybe a 2H to do that.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, that means something which is very light in behavior. Okay, but
yes, ma'am.
At the same time, we have to understand that this light behavior of pencil also leaves an impression on the paper. Okay, so if you are very good at drawing with a very light pressure, then a H pencil is too good for you, because you would not be leaving the mark. You would just be making a dim line which is visible to you only. Okay.
Okay.
Then comes the selection for this pattern, the pattern which has been drawn here, right?
Yes, sir.
Once you start to draw it, there are multiple ways how candidates start doing it, and most of us start drawing it immediately, right? And
Yes,
the procedure followed is that you just try to relate here, as you can see, and at whichever point, suppose say suddenly you realize that, oh, I made a mistake and I have to erase it.
So that if we drew it in a dark with a dark pencil, it makes some that outlines we can see that even though if we erase that.
Yes.
So we should light pencil.
Yes,
HB.
definitely. But here we have to understand that even the work which we are doing right now as the final one, there is a way and there is a choice of pencil to do it. Okay. Commonly, what students do is they pick up still the lighter grades, that means H or 2H here, because they feel that they will first make it rough and then after that they will darken it. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
That is what you normally do.
Yes, ma'am.
Unknowingly, you actually make the biggest mistake here. What is that? Okay. What students do is we start drawing it, see my line work, say with a H or a 2H. Okay.
Okay.
Now, as I said, suddenly say suppose at this point you realized, oh, I made a mistake. Okay. Now, if
Okay.
you felt that you have done a mistake here, what would you do? You would try to erase it?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Anybody who has made a mistake, you will try to erase it. The moment you
Yep.
do that, you forget that with a H or a 2H pencil, you have actually left some impressions here.